We're doing some practice work out of the book, and I want to do a demonstration of how to use a math textbook the right way, in case no one's ever told you. We found that chapter 7 had the same measurement skills we were just talking about. But we don't start by jumping to the end of section 1 and trying the problems. The odd ones do have answers in the back of the book. So we could do that and jump and see if we're doing it right. But if we're stuck, there's nothing to help us. So instead, the right way to use a math book is to read through until you get to an example problem and then cover with a piece of paper the solution. Then you try the example problem, and if you get stuck, there's help. You can move your paper and see the steps for what to do. Or with this book, you could scan the video thing and watch videos about what to do. So the first thing with a math book is to go through all of the example problems. So keep reading. Here's the next one. Cover up the solution. I'll try it myself. There's example 3. I'll cover up the solution and try it myself. And only after you've done that, then it makes sense to go to these. Not because they're harder, but because they don't have the helpful steps if you got stuck.